What is up, guys? Welcome to its Gimmick April 1 tutorial. In this tutorial is going to be a continuation of the top-down shooter basic tutorial that I did a while back, I think in November or something, so it was quite a long time ago. But yeah, in that episode we went over, shooting bullets at blocks. I'll just show you. I'll show you what I went over. Shooting someone in blocks. It was pretty basic. No ammo, no reload time, no clip size or anything. But yeah, now we're going to be going over all that stuff in this tutorial. So to start off with, if you haven't seen the first one, the first tutorial that I did, I would recommend you do, because we're not going over any of that. There's can shoot, friction. I go over all of that in the previous tutorial. So if you haven't seen that, I would suggest that you go see it. There'll be a link in the description and on the screen now to go see it. So yeah, that's the alarm obviously, and that's the step event with the movement and all the gun thing. This is something that I whipped up like in the space of like 5 minutes or something. It's not that hard to do. So yeah, the first thing we want to add to this is all the variables that we need. So obviously we've got can shoot, we've got friction, but we need some things like clip size max. I'm actually holding my microphone with my other hand because since I got my new laptop, the microphone is not working. You can probably see in the last episode I tried to amplify the sound, but I exported the video as a 360p, not 720, so the quality is really bad on my previous episode. So yeah, sorry about that. But yeah, I'm getting the microphone in 2 or 3 weeks, so it should be alright. Yeah, so anyway, the first variable that we need is clip size max, and that's just going to equal 6. That's our clip size. We're going to be using a pistol in this. You can probably just, make it equal 30 for an assault rifle or, anything, but for me it's going to be 6. The next one is just going to call clip size. Clip size max is the limit that we need, and clip size is just what it equals at the time. So that's one equal clip size max. So now clip size equals 6. So yeah, it's full at the time as well. The next one is one ammo. Ammo equals clip size max. Oh, sorry. Yeah, clip size max. Times by 10. Alright, so let's just go over this a second. The clip size equals 6, so the clip is full when the game starts. The ammo equals 6 times 10, so we have 60 bullets to play with. We could just put 60, but I feel that if you ever want to edit your gun now, all you have to do is edit this. So maybe if I had 30 for maybe an AK-47 or something, then we have 10 clips of it, so that'll equal 300 instead of going through all these variables at one time. But yeah, we're going to equal that to 6 again. We then need a shot time, so how fast we can shoot our bullet. We did go over this in the we sort of went over it, but we only put 30 in the step event. So go into your step event again, and obviously equals 30. But to edit everything from the create event, just put shot time there. So now, if we ever want to edit our game, we can do it. Edit our gun, we can do it straight from here. Next thing we want is reload time. Make that equal 90. The reload time is, when our clips are at 0, we need to reload the gun and everything. But I think that's all the variables that we need. So this is our gun thing that we did last time. Obviously it checks if we can shoot, and now we need to check if we have any bullets in our clip. So and clip size is above 0. So then we do can shoot equals 0. Next one we'll do is clip size minus equals 1. So we lost a bullet, but we also, we fired one. And that's going to be our shot. The next thing we want to put is if clip size is below or equal to 0, then can shoot equals 0, and then alarm 1, this is going to be our next alarm that we're going to use, equals reload time. So just go back into your object thing and add another event and add the alarm event 1. So then you want to put clip size equals clip size max, so it equals back to 6, and then you want to put ammo minus equals clip size max. I actually forgot something in the step event here. You want to put and ammo is above or equal to clip size max, so we don't reload when we haven't got enough bullets. There we go. Now we probably won't be able to see what's going on, but I think I can show you. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can't actually shoot for 3 seconds. Now hopefully it'll shoot again. Maybe. No, it's not going to shoot, is it? It's not going to shoot. It's not going to shoot. That's because we in the alarm 1 we forgot to make can shoot equals 1. There we go. And hopefully it should work, because if it doesn't, I'm going to get annoyed. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. It's still not working. Let's go into our thing again. Clip size is below or equal to 0, and ammo is above or equal to clip size max. And can shoot equals 0, and alarm 1 equals reload time. I'm getting rusty on Game Maker at the moment, and alarm 1 equals -1. So if alarm 1 isn't already going, because what that was doing is just making alarm 1 equals 90 all the time, so it wasn't going down. Now please work. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We stop reloading. Yes, it works. Okay. Finally. Right, in the next thing, we actually want to draw our clip. So add another sprite and just call it sprite bullet draw. And this is going to be a, let's just say a 32 by 16 bullet. I'm not that good at designing things, so I apologise if my gun thing isn't exactly to your liking. There we go, it's brilliant. There we go. That's our bullet, our makeshift bullet, and just create the inside as white. Just crop that down. There we go, 12 by 32. And we actually don't want to center the sprite this time, because we're going to be drawing it from the bottom right of the screen. So just to make it easier on you guys, the origin's going to be 11, and the height's going to be 31. So it can be drawn easy. In the draw event, we're going to be using the for statement. I think we've used this before in the previous tutorials, but if we haven't, I'll just go through it again. I equals clip size, and then if I is above 0, then I minus equals 1. Have I done that right? Let's go over it a second. I'll just pause the video, see if I've done it right. Okay guys, I just went over lots of stuff, and then I thought I got it right, and then I didn't. So let's start again, and hopefully I can get it now. So I equals 0. I is below clip size. It's been a while since I've done this. And then I plus equals 1. That should be right now. Hopefully. So once that damn for statement is done, we do draw sprite. Make sure it's our bullet that we did. So sprite bullet draw. The sum is just going to be 0 because it's not an animation or anything. And this is where our origin comes in. So all we have to put is room width. Now if our origin was in the center, we'd have to, find the center and then minus the sprite width divided by 2 and everything, but this is the easiest way to do it. So before we get into all the eye stuff and everything, you just put room height so it comes in from the bottom. So in where we put room width, we want to put minus and then put in some brackets. We want to type in sprite get width and then our sprite bullet draw thing, and then times that by I. So that should be it. What this does is that instead of creating 6 bullets at the same coordinate, because I goes up every single time, it'll minus this every single time that is done. So it'll do times 1, times 2, times 3, times 4. So hopefully that should be done. Obviously the bullets are going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if the reloading is done, then it's done. Obviously our guy just disappeared, and that's because we had a draw event. That was my mistake. So every time we had a draw event, the sprite that's actually on our object disappears completely. So to do that again, all we need to do is sprite draw, or draw sprite, sorry. And our sprite player 0, x, y. And that should be done. Here we go. I think this is going to be it for part 1. I'm going to do in part 2 so we can select guns and everything. But yeah, that's been it for part 1. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 2. So thanks for watching and goodbye.